Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the Magtame Magnetic Charging Data Cable. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on these start at $19.99. Let's take it to the website. Okay, so you can pick these up from magtame.com. Now let's click on one of these. This is going to be the O-Magcable 60-watt USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Now, one quick side note, you can get USB Type-C to USB Type-C, USB Type-C to Lightning. You can go USB-A to USB Type-C, USB-A to Lightning, and you also got 100-watt USB Type-C to USB Type-C and USB-A to Micro. All right, so let's see the features real quick. Okay, now this one's $19.99. Fold and organize in seconds. Quick, effortless storage and tangle-free. 3A fast charging and data transfer. Durable, stable, and secure. Perfect compatible with all devices. Okay, now check this out. This is a magnetic, tangle-free cable. Now, I actually been using these, and when I find products that actually work in the real world, that's why I like to make these little simple and effective tech videos. World's first clutter-free cable. You see how you just rolled it like that? Okay? Tangle-free, clutter-free cables. How dope is that? Now check this out. Like I said, I've been using these before I unbox these. This is the one I actually been using. And look at this. I love traveling with these because when you untangle them and use them and you let them go, look at it. Falls right back into shape. Now, if y'all seen my travel bag before, it's 1,001 cables all over the place. This is USB-A to USB Type-C. Tangle-free. How dope is that? Okay, so we also got USB Type-C to Lightning. Okay. For your older iPhones, this is the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is the one I use the most. Now, I actually traveled with this one about 3 times already. Okay, stretched it out, had it all over the room. When I finish and I'm packing my bag, look at that. You don't have to do anything. You let it go, and it comes back to the shape by itself. Come on, bro. For 20 bucks, I had to get all of them. Okay, this is USB-A to Lightning. Got a few of these. So let's see how they look when you first pop them open. Matter of fact, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Matter of fact, we'll start off with this is USB-A to Lightning. Check this out. Okay, now, comes in different sizes. Look at this. USB-A to Lightning. USB-A to USB Type-C, actually. And it just folds right back into place. Look how thick and braided this cable is. Okay, this is high quality right here. Let's see, this one is going to be, okay, this is Lightning and A. Let's see. I'm replacing all of my cables with these. This is USB-A to Lightning because I still got some older iPhone 14s that I'm using right now for my trap phones. And look at that. Just like in the video, roll it back into place. Okay, let's check this one out. Now, this is a classic right here. USB Type-C to Lightning. Okay, as you can see, I got a lot of Apple products. You know what I'm saying? And we got one more. Okay, now this is the one that I'm going to use the most. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And check this out. If you get USB Type-C to USB Type-C, look at this. Just unfold it. And when you're done, look how it just folds back into place. You can feel the magnets inside of them. That is pretty dope. But this one, look at this. Bang, there it is. So, grab your iPhone, plug one end in. Now you can charge up another iPhone. Just like that. Okay, and look how easy this stores. Now, don't matter how you fold it up. When you untangle it, all you got to do is go like that. And then, bang, it's right back into its shape. Now, look, I'll stretch it all the way out. And bring it right back. This is so dope. You can feel the magnets. It wants to come back together. This is crazy. Now, let me see. Do I got a charging brick right here? Let's charge something up. Okay. So grab USB Type-C. I'm going to make sure they work. Okay, I'm going to plug this in. Okay. So we got USB Type-C. Plug in an iPhone. There it is. Okay? Again, simple and effective tech. This is the little kind of stuff that makes me smile. Now look how organized your table is going to be. And when you travel, if you're like me, and you're traveling with a gang of cables, You can put all your cables in your bag just like this. And now when you get to your hotel room, unpack everything, stretch them out all over the room, go crazy. And when you're ready to pack up and go home, you don't got to globble them all up in one big ball. No, just take your time, go like this, and you see it wants to come back into shape. And there it is, just like that. How dope is that? This is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Okay, so this is the Magtame magnetic charging data cables. Again, they start at 20 bucks. You cannot go wrong. Perfect time for my trip. I'm getting ready to catch a flight in a few hours. This is how I'm packing, just like this. Got all my products. I can't wait to get to the hotel room and just go just like this. Hold on, let's do that one more time. Stretch it out, plug everything in, rock it for the whole day. When I'm ready to go home, there it is. I love it. But look closely though. Look how thick these cables are. Okay, everybody needs cables. If you're going to buy some, might as well buy some thick braided magnetic cables. Tangle free. Let's get and wrap this up. All right, so real quick before I wrap this up, I wanted to show y'all one more thing. Okay, we was watching the video, but remember, no more mess. Okay, full of magnetism. That's the word I was looking for when I was doing my OnePlus video the other day. Magnetism. Okay, full of magnetism, super fast charging, convenient and easy to carry. That's the best thing about these. Okay, safety and Apple certified. Check these out. All right, so these are the Magtame magnetic charging data cables. Quality right here, okay? These are perfect for traveling, perfect for keeping your desktop less cluttered. They're fast, safe, and stylish. They make one for pretty much all of your devices, but most importantly, for $19.99, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Simple and effective tech. I love it. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.